Okay, welcome back. Today we are talking about U-E vowel team. When two vowels go walking, the first does all the talking, and he usually says his name. So in this case, his name is U. So U is what he would say. Because this is a magic E, we are separated by a consonant in the middle between them, but there's still a vowel team. Okay, let's practice some words. Are you ready? There is one vowel sound because E is silent and U is going to say U. Ready? Mule. Let's sound it out again. Mule. Say it fast. Mule. Say it fast again. Mule. Yes, a mule kind of looks like a donkey. Good job. Here we go. Let's try another one. Remember, there's only one vowel sound in this word because U and E are a vowel team. E is silent and U says U. Are you ready? Let's sound it out. Cube. Cube. Say it fast. Cube. Say it fast. Cube. Yes, I would like an ice cube in my drink, please. Here we go. Remember that U and E are a vowel team, so there's only one vowel sound, and that is U. E remains silent. Are you ready to sound it out? Tune. Sound it out again. Tune. Good. Say it fast. Tune. Say it fast. Tune. Good. I love to sing a tune when I'm going for my walk. Let's try another one that you've seen before. Remember that E is silent and U says U. Ready? Rule. Sound it out again. Rule. Good. Say it fast. Rule. Say it fast. Rule. Yes, these are phonics rules that you are learning. And here's one more. Again, the E is silent so that the U can say his name. Are you ready to sound it out? Dune. Let's do that again. Dune. Let's say it fast. Dune. Say it fast. Dune. Yes, I like to play on the sand dune by my house. And that is magic E, vowel team with U. Good job.